Welcome to Bible Timeline, Day 169. Today's readings are Ruth 1:2, Sirach 23, and Psalm 7. Ruth 1:2 tells the story of Ruth's loyalty and courage. She remains faithful to Naomi, leaving her homeland to embrace God's people and promises. Ruth's determination and humility lead her to Boaz's fields, where her faithfulness is rewarded. Her story illustrates that loyalty, courage, and trust in God create pathways for blessing. Sirach 23 teaches that humility and honesty guide decisions and protect against envy and greed. True virtue is always aligned with God's wisdom. Psalm 7 is a prayer for protection and justice, expressing confidence in God's righteous judgment and deliverance. Today invites reflection on the power of faithfulness and integrity. Ruth's story reminds us that devotion to God and others, even in uncertain circumstances, positions us for divine favor. Small acts of courage and loyalty, when rooted in faith, can transform lives and lead to blessings far beyond what we imagine.